Select a race course.
Daytona USA is one of the racing genre's cult classics. Everything you need from a good racing game is here, and it has been perfected to a science. Ranging from great custom tracks to a wide range of characters and vehicles, this game is still one of the greats.
I'm gonna fly sky high. Let's go together.
Modern racing games can learn a thing or two from this gem. The stages exude a great, vibrant detail, rarely found in any other game, and the stage hazards, though they might get you out of left field, make sense and are very creative. And Nobuo Uematsu really knocked it out of the park with the soundtrack. While Daytona may have some complicated stages that are very hard to tackle for beginners, the game makes up for it with the groundbreaking feature. The game recognizes when a player is lost and gets them back on track. But what is style with no substance? And let me tell you, Daytona definitely delivers on the substance with great snappy controls and the most satisfying drifting ever felt in a racing game. Even with items such as the snowball and the speed boost, this game definitely rewards skill over anything else, which is why so many people consider this the go-to racing game to settle things behind the wheel. The Secret Giraffe mode is such a great addition to this game. It's icing on top of an already delicious cake. Some of my most intense moments with this game had to be with this mode. If you want to play this with friends, prepare to lose them because things get competitive. Taking these things into account, my final rating for this game is a 9 out of 11 checkered flags. You just can't beat the classics.